Hello, my name is Miranda. Like many of you, I came to the internet on a quest to figure out how to make money from home. I was tired of having no extra time for my family. Now, I am making passive income affiliate marketing online. To answer a few of your questions I had when I first started affiliate marketing, yes, I do it for free, and yes, you can do it too. After teaching this process to friends and family, I realized they are often too busy to maintain an entire website. So I came up with a simple system for them to start making passive income with the minimum effort possible. I will choose products that can be affiliate marketed from multiple niches. For example, headphones can be affiliate marketed by musicians who use them when recording. But as an affiliate marketer, I also use headphones to edit audio. You can find these different products on my page grouped into categories by type. Most products I affiliate market, I personally use myself. However, if I do not, I will explain why this product is worth trying based on my product knowledge. This is where an affiliate marketer whose niche is affiliate marketing will do product research. If you are affiliate marketing and your niche is anything else, you just let your followers know that you are using this product. A niche is just a fancy way to say thing you're into. This could be singing, dancing, drawing, your kids, hiking, cars, bikes, anything you're into. I will show you how to affiliate market each individual product. You will choose how to tell people about the product for your niche. If you are interested in any of the products I affiliate market on my page, click the link in the About section. If you purchase, I make a commission. There you have it, affiliate marketing simplified. In this video, I will be teaching you how to affiliate market these headphones. If you are looking for new headphones, click the link below to try these headphones for yourself. If you want to affiliate market these headphones after you buy them, sign up for Amazon affiliates to get your seller link. Then tell your followers about these headphones. If they purchase, you get a commission. There you have it, guys. I've successfully affiliate marketed these headphones to you. If you are interested in the affiliate marketing niche, Canva is great for creating content like this. You can sign up for Canva in my link below. Check out my How to Use Canva playlist for short videos on how to create content to generate income. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.